Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta stock number 6296. This ran from the 7th 2008 to the 8th 2013. It has an HHJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the HHJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Front bonnet no dents. Left front 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 15-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.